Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with Nuwanga. It's day 2. In my previous video, I have explained how to develop a histogram gauge for my web project. But I think I did not start my web project properly because it is not a simple project. I have big future purpose. Then in this video, I'm going to explain how to start PHP project properly with MVC architecture. We have to use architecture like MVC because this is not a simple project. I have some future purposes. Then I think we need to go it with the MVC architecture. Okay, let's start it again with me. Subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Okay then, when we are going to start PHP project, we have to create a local server inside our computer. If we need to create local server in our computer, local host server in our computer, we have to use local web server package such as example WAM server. Usually I am using exam server to develop this project, and you can download and install Apache exam server through this website, and I'm not going to explain how to download and install this server in this video. If you want to this kind of video, I can create it separately. After you are installing Apache exam server properly, you can get this type of interface. It has different type of modules such as Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Tomcat. But for develop this website, we are only needing Apache and MySQL modules. Apache module always create the localhost environment for us, and we need to use databases. Then we have to use MySQL service. Then I'm going to start Apache service. If it start, you can show the port is working, and if you click this admin button, you can go to the Apache server introduction page. We need this page usually because we can access our website using this link. When we are using exam server to develop our PHP projects, we have to keep our project files inside the specific folder. The folder is, we can go to that directory like this. In our C drive, there's the exam installation folder. There's a directly named htdocs. We have to keep our project files, our whole web project, inside this folder always. Okay then, next I'm going to create my project folder. Here I named it just cave. This is my project name. Go inside to this folder, and I'm going to create our index file, index.php. PHP is the extension for PHP project files, and I'm going to open it through the VS Code editor. I'm usually using VS Code for my IDE, and it is open like this, and I'm going to compose simple PHP code here. Okay, save it. I'm going to check my connection is correct. Localhost. Just give my name. Okay. Now you can see my PHP with project localhost connection is properly working. Okay, then next I'm going to start next step. Before I mention you, I'm using MVC architecture for develop my project because this is a huge project and I have future purposes how to develop this project. Then I'm going to add MVC architecture. MVC architecture means a kind of coding architecture like microservice, but in here we are don't making separate projects. In the MVC architecture there is a proper directory package structure within one project. Okay, let's see how to develop it. When we are using MVC architecture, we have to create here default MVC architecture folder structure, and there is some default code formats, and I think it is better to get some help from the AI. I'm usually using ChatGPT for it, and I'm going to prompt here. I need to develop a PHP project with MVC architecture. Please give me the folder structure and default ports. Okay, then ChatGPT has given me this kind of perfect folder structure. We need to create it inside the my project folder and give me the default code formats. Okay, then let's develop it with me inside my project folder. Okay, let's make these folders one by one inside my project folder. Okay, then I have created all the files. Then I'm going to copy paste this code to those files. Before it, we need to open our project through the VS Code or something. I'm using VS Code for it. There is a very easy method to open our project through the VS Code like this. We have to open our CMD and command code dot. Then it is open through the VS Code. Then we can see our folder structure in here very beautifully. The next step is we have to compose our code. So then I'm going to copy the code one by one. First, htaccess. Htaccess is using to URL redirection and some security purposes. Then public htaccess. Next, index page. Next one is configurations. This is a main point. This is our base URL. We can use this URL and access our project. I'm going to change the name. As image escape. Next, app.php. Next, core controller. Next, the module is used to configure our database things. I'm going to add home controller. I'm going to add our first view home.php. This is the HTML CSS template. Okay, next I'm going to copy the user.php code. These are the modules. We can change these things, our future works. I have copied all the codes to the my files. Okay, let's going to check how is it working. Okay, you can see now our project is working, but there's a little bit problem in our app.php file. Then I have asked it from the ChatGPT. It give me the fixed code. Then I'm going to copy it and we can reload the project. Okay, the problem is gone. Now our project is working properly, and you can see here this is the MVC architecture for our PHP project, and I'm going to use them for our future developments. And then I'm going to wind up this video. In the next video session, I'm going to develop a navbar and some widgets, and lastly I'm going to develop our image reading gauges. Okay, stay tuned with me. Okay, this is the proper way to start PHP project with MVC architecture. And in my next videos, I'm going to develop some web components, and we have to develop our image reading gauges. Okay, then stay tuned with us. Okay, then subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook page, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Then let's see you in next videos. Bye.